setup camp. Metal pin, kitchen area. Look at it. Dry fire. Wore these for 3 days straight. Alright. Welcome back to the channel. Driving to Fontainebleau, France, and I got a whole new setup with the car, so I'm gonna try this out while bouldering for the first time. Fuel in Belgium is like way more cheap than it is in the Netherlands. It's almost like 40 cents a liter cheaper. Gotta get everything out. Forgot to bring a really big bottle of water, so I have to buy a big bottle of water so I can do the dishes, stuff like that. Hey, got him. Arrived at the spot, setup camp. So, this is the setup. I basically sleep on like the inside of the crash pads. I have to put the seats completely forward and then I can like slide out the sleeping deck. So put these on there, protect my fat ass. And then I have like these metal pins, which I drop in here without tools. Then it's all secured. Right, well, with it set up. This is the latest addition to the car. I don't know if you can properly see it, but this is the kitchen area. Look at it, pretty cozy. Yeah, super nice weather. Right, did all the morning essentials at the supermarket. I had to do some laptop stuff, very boring, but it's done. Time to go to Isatis and try a project. See you there, brother. Probably tried to boulder for like 3 hours. Well, it was pretty nice. The beta eventually was cool also. Alright, yeah, I'm going back to camp. Ooh! Had my winter dinner. It literally took 3 hours to climb to 7A. Now everything hurts. As a true digital nomad, I'm editing on the go. Morning business done, the essentials. Gonna make some lunch and then check out the area for tomorrow. Did a quick stop on the road because everywhere I've been going there's like these yellow flowers and they smell like really heavy, but it looks beautiful. Look at this. It's a hell of a lot. Wanted to check it out, but I have no clue what they are. Ooh, they smell nice though. We continue. Ooh, I've seen some very nice boulders to climb tomorrow. There's a lot of them, so I don't know. It's hard to choose. They were all kind of fun. Stoked to come back tomorrow. Look at this thing. Who put you there? You're crazy. Whoa. Sick. Look who decided to show up.
Van de zon. Ja.
Beetje voor voeten kijken of zo. Heavy. 1 gene only. Sleeping pants, climbing pants. Wore these for 3 days straight. Here. Deze was leuk. Zo, voet erbij, handje, toe. Het zijn wel veel moves. What the fuck? Sick dry fire. Nice. Oh nee. Oké, ander keertje. Wordt hem niet. No. Oh yeah, next.
Kom op. Nice. Kom op. Kom op. Ja, kom op.
Nice.
Kom op. Kom op. Kom on.
Nice.
Kom op.
Sick.
Leuk. Climbed 2 of the 3 boulders that I wanted to climb, so pretty stoked.
Please don't fall, please don't fall.
Clean feet. I just had a first shower in 4 days. I feel reborn. Now I can go home and decrust. Thanks for watching and leave a like if you liked. Maybe see you in the next one. Ciao. Sick dry fire.